Hello everyone, I hope everyone is having a good week. I'm Jajani and today I'm going to make 3 DIY oatmeal face masks. So in this video we're using blended oats, so they are in powder form, but you can buy them oats and blend them through a blender or a food processor. Alright, so subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and without further ado, let's get started. Let's go! Number 1. Tomato and oats mask. If you're looking for clear, glowing skin, try this mask. Tomatoes soothe skin inflammation, reduce pigmentation and dullness. They help with pimples and reduce oiliness on the skin. Apply this mask for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off. Number 2. Yogurt and Oats mask. If you're looking for a mask to moisturize your skin, try this one. Yogurt moisturizes, cleanses, and rejuvenates your skin. This mask will tighten pores and provide nutrients that help with healing any damaged skin. Apply this for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off. Number 3. Turmeric, honey, and oats mask. Lastly, if you need to brighten your skin, this mask is it. Turmeric reduces the appearance of acne scars and brightens any dull skin. And we know how honey moisturizes and treats acne. Apply this for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off. Oatmeal has been a popular, all-natural skincare ingredient for a very long time. Due to its inflammatory properties, oats can soothe and moisturize the skin, cleanses dirt and oil stuck in pores, and works great as an exfoliator. Also, oatmeal creates a protective barrier on the skin, and this hypoallergic ingredient is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Oatmeal is a great natural ingredient, so if you're interested in self-care and making these DIY face masks, you should definitely try oatmeal and tell us what you think. Comment down what other DIY mask you want us to try and which oatmeal mask you are willing to try in this video. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!